Welcome back to this live session on Thursday, 14th of August 2025. As in the middle of the week, we can see little bit of movement in the market as very important day for core PPI and unemployment claims. As starting with the London session, we also have coming up another session on NY. Now let's begin today's analysis on gold as well as currency pairs. As on the daily support, we have seen there is a breakout from this daily support level. Also I have posted analysis early today from this daily level. As we can see, the market is trending currently to the upside. We have seen there is a break to the upside from this daily level. The market may potentially bounce back to the upside here. That you can see the price is showing that potential uptrending market structure. Thanks for joining this live session. Let's begin another trading day here. We will be looking for best trade possible in the market. I hope that stream is going well. If you guys can hear and see me, say yes in the live chat and begin with another trading day. Let's look at, first of all, bigger picture perspective in the market, how the price might be doing here. I'm looking at the daily chart. The price on the 1 hour support level. Guys, this is a very important price action at the moment. As we can see, the price from this high, there is a drop to that low, and with this drop to that low, the market is now slowly pushing back to the upside here. This is the 1 hour price action, where if you look at the lower time frame price action on the daily and the 1 hour, we can see the price on the 1 hour support level. That's where the market is currently. From the 1 hour, we can see there is a test of 20 EMA and 10 EMA. There is a bounce back to the upside in this market. So lower time frame, we can see there is a bullish price action, and with this 30 minutes close from the lower time frame, we can expect the market to give us possible bullish entry opportunity in this market. If you look at here, you can see that this is the 1 hour price action, where from this 10 EMA, the market has made its move back to the upside again with a stronger momentum. And that being said, we're waiting for the price to retest and then to reject back again to the major direction of the trend. That being said, from the 4 hour chart here, we can see there is the candle close previous session, and after this candle close from this support level, from this daily support level, there is a complete break to the upside. Now there are two possible scenarios here. I hope that stream is going well. There are two possible scenarios from this support level at the moment on Xauusd. One is the price to potentially return back again, retest and then reject back again, or to drop down further. And that drop here that we can see on Xauusd, currently the market is pushing back below in that level. That being said, let's look at where the market is heading. I hope that guys are enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Let's look at here on Xauusd from this support level, where this is an important support, and we can see there is also an important support here. And from that support level, we can see the price is rejected back to the upside here. And from that rejection, the market is currently heading to the upside here. Now this is a 30 minutes price action. On the 15 minutes, there is a doji formation. We could see now a potential retest here, and from that zone we can expect for the market to trend back to the upside, to continue to rise here, to create a new higher high in this market. Looking at the 1 hour chart here, we can see the price is pushing back to the upside, and this is the 1 hour. If you look at here, 10 EMA above, 20 EMA below, which is an uptrending market. And what I think this is an important level that we can look for potential entry in this upcoming session here in this market. So 30 minutes candle closing here, and that 30 minutes candle could give us possible bullish entry in this market. And as I'm looking at here, the price action is showing possible uptrending market structure. We'll be looking for a possible buy entry by pending order. I'm going to look at here a buy limit. That means when the market drop here, we will be entering into the buy trade with almost to 25 pip stop loss, and expecting the market to possibly move back to the upside again to the resistance line. Here is the price on the level currently at the moment, as exactly at level on this market where there is a here, this is an important support, and here what we can expect the market to drop. I am looking to enter a trade here by market with only 24 pip stop loss at 3360 level and TP target setting at 3366 level, 3366.06 level, and expecting here the market to reject back again from this 1 hour support level, and it's a bull market. So here there is a candle close. With this candle close, there is a rejection again back below. Here we may be able to move little bit downside here. The stop loss, I am on the buy trade on gold, and with a possibility for the market to reject back again to the upside here. I will be moving the stop loss little below here to 3359 level. So 3359 the stop loss here, to take the trade little higher, giving a little bit of space here. So I'm putting the stop loss at 3359.00 with a expectation for the market to bounce back up to the major direction of the trend. There is waiting for the price to show a potential upside bias. As you can see, if we are out with the trade, we will be again re-entering the position. As we can see, the market is showing potential bullish price action in that area. That being said, we set the stop loss at this level at 3359. Expecting the market to possibly, it's a very smaller stop loss that you have used, as if we look at the 30 minutes that you can see, there is a sharp bounce back to the upside here from the 1 hour price action. Here also the market has had a rejection from the top. That market that you can see, expecting the price to reject back again to the upside to create a new higher high. We have seen that there is a if you look at here, you can see there is a break below here in that area, and with this breakdown, what we can expect here for the market to bounce. So there is a complete break below here from this level, and here we will be waiting for further entry. I think the market in a very important 4-hour support level. We can look for further entry opportunity. As we can see, the price has just got break below in that area, and we will be looking for possible again entry. What I think, the 4-hour chart, you can see the price has just broken back below from this high. That could give the market another potential for upside bias in this market. Looking at the 4-hour here, it's on the 4-hour support level where the price may potentially be heading back to the upside here in this market. So that being said, from the 15-minute chart, that we can see the price from that level has got the rejection back below, and where the price on this level here from the 4-hour, what I think, the price possibly to revert again for another liquidity gap in a very important support. Currently the market from the 4-hour level, here is the daily support level as well. The market has come back to this daily level. We will be looking for further entry opportunity as soon as we see the market has tested this daily level in that area. And that being said, we can see there is a rejection again back below here to this support level where there is a liquidity gap. And with this liquidity gap, what we can expect for the market to trend back down to this level and potentially coming here for another liquidity gap. From the 4-hour chart here, the price is approaching that level and daily support is approaching. Once the market drop to that daily support, we can look for another possible entry in this market, waiting for the price to show up in that zone, and with that level the price to retest and then to reject back again to the upside to create a new higher high in this market. Here's the 1-hour price action where it's approaching that level in that zone. And if we look at the 1 minute, we can see that there is a rejection candle here. This is the daily support level. Once the market drop to the daily support, from this daily support we can expect for the market to return again back to the upside here to create a new higher high in this market. Here's the lower time frame price action, and expecting that the market to revert again from this intraday support level. Daily support is, once the market managed to break this daily low, we can expect another bounce back to the daily high in this market. And this level that we can see the price approaching this daily low, where we can look for further possible entry opportunity here. Daily level is important. Here's the daily support level where there's a daily 20 EMA, and if you look at the 1 hour here, we can see the market is slowly dropping back below here, and there's a liquidity here. This is an important liquidity zone on the daily time frame, and as I mentioned earlier, we will be still placing a very tight stop loss. If the market drop to the daily low from this level, we will be looking to buy again to the upside with a pending order to the upside here. And we can look for the market to retest and then to reject back again to the 4-hour resistance line where there is a sharp break below, and that drop down here that you can see from the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart here, what we can see, the price is heading back to this level where it's approaching that low and coming back here to the 15-minute chart here. That's where we can see the price is coming down here and potentially coming back below. And if the market is penetrating below this support, which is the daily low, here we can expect the market to return again, and I will be opening buy from here, from this daily support level. Once the market drop below here from this daily low, we can look for possible another rejection here in this market. Penetrating below the daily low is an important zone. This is where exactly the daily support, where the market open, and from that level the price has got the rejection back below. This is the 5-minute candle closing as a bear candle, and I think there is another candle may drop back below here, penetrate below, and then to potentially return again to the upside from this daily support level. The possibility here for the market to drop to the daily low is high. Gbpjpy will be looking at, first of all, the looking at the on gold here for the price to come back here, penetrate back below to this support level here, and that support that you can see the market is approaching, we could see the market to possibly trend down, and I'm waiting for the price to overextend back below here on the daily, where I'll be placing up from this daily low from that level with 5 minutes 1.5 ATR stop loss, a buy limit. So basically buy limit, which is 40 pips stop loss at 1.5 ATR. So 50.50. There will be I'm placing a buy limit, not buy stop, buy limit for the market to reject again back to the upside to the 4-hour resistance line, where once the market breaks below. Good day, welcome. So I'm placing a buy limit here. The market has penetrated below again, just crossed the daily low, and we might see a possible rejection below here on the daily. From here expecting an upside bias, and again I'm placing here a stop loss at 3350.26, 3350.26, and TP target here to this level here. We can be able to take the trade earlier, 3364.12. So I placed a buy here, also sharing the same trade in the premium group as well. Place the buy stop, buy here, not buy limit. Directly I placed buy market here, and possibly as the market has crossed the daily low here, and because the price has crossed the daily low, expecting another rejection back above this level. This is a sudden breakdown here from this high, and it's a big drop here that you can see on gold, and that drop expecting the market to penetrate and then to return back again to the upside to create a new higher high in this market. So we'll be waiting to see how the market is doing here. It is still bearish, expecting a rejection back again to the upside as the market has penetrated below this daily low here. It's a sharply falling, but at the same time expecting a rejection again as the price has just crossed this daily support level here in this market. And we can see that the market has created such a stronger drop, and we can expecting the market to have a reaction back again to the upside here for another a pullback to that intraday level. Again, it's very tight stop loss. Always I put tight stop loss. If I am not right, I will be exit the trade as hard as possible. And that's where you can see the 5 minutes chart. It just has crossed the daily low, and but you can expect this market to come. So another 5 minutes candle close here with a long bear move. That's a massive drop here on the daily. Just keep pushing back down. So you can see that the market has broken back below here, and we still could see that rejection from this level as the market on this support level here in this market, and that's a long pin bar on the 1 minute that you can see. So you can see the market has broken completely back below this support level. In that area, waiting for the price to potentially restructure again, as it's a complete breakdown from the 4-hour level. We might see that breakup support here from the weekly as well, a big break below, and as we can see, the price has a huge breakdown. It may potentially come further below here to retest the weekly low or bouncing back to the upside. How the market is reacting to that level is the most important part here that to look at. Okay, so 1 minute chart, there is a 1 minute bullish candle rejection here in this lower time frame, and that could lead the price potentially to revert again back to the upside here to this key level, where you can see the price approaching that zone where the market is possibly heading back to the upside or breaking back below further from this daily support level here. As if you look at here back-to-back 3 days, the market bounce, and we can see that it's now getting a rejection. So that rejection, is this a reversal again or it's a correction? That we need to look at from the lower time frame and the higher time frame perspective here in this market. So we'll be waiting for further entry. Here is the market may form a structure in this area, and where it's showing that bearish pattern in that area, waiting for further entry. Let's wait for the market to show its hand in that area. I think there might be a rejection again, as there is the candle close 1 hour could be below this support level. Now if the market is closing below this support on the lower time frame here, that is a possible further below here, dropping below furthest level. So if we look at the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes price action, where there is a big drop here, and that is currently the market is going back up to that level where there is a high liquidity in that area. So with that liquidity gap, that what we can see, the market to possibly retest this resistance and then to return again. So here we can look for possible entry once the price break from this structure. So if the price break here from this structure to the upside, we can look for entry. So waiting for break of structure here. We'll be waiting for the break of structure in that area, and once we see the market has broken from the structure, we can look for buy entry. Hi guys, so that there was a little disruption in audio, but we are back on track. And here you can see here gold from this level, there is a breakdown completely below the previous daily low. So that being said, we may see that potential downtrend continuation. There is a complete break of support here on gold. We will be waiting for market trend continuation here in that area, where there is what you can see here. This is an important level of support. That support has broken back below here, and from the daily perspective here we can see the price below currently this level. 4-hour candle has completely broken from this high. We could see now potential downtrend continuation or pullback to the upside. If the market going back up for a pullback, we will be looking for selling opportunity in this market. I'm coming on live again. I'm coming on live. Come on. I'm coming on live again in few hours, guys, for trading the NY session, as there's coming on PPI. We'll see you there again trading live. Until then, stay well, stay happy, watching the price action. Any trade coming also will be sharing in the premium group so that everyone can copy who are in the group. To find out more about joining our academy, also you can join the Telegram. You can find link below this video for more updated education as well as analysis like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next live with also new analysis coming up.